The ratio of the length, breadth and height of a rectangular parallelepiped is 3:2:1 and its volume is 384 cubic centimeter. Find its total surface area. So the dimensions are given. Length, actually the ratio of the dimensions, it is given 3:2:1. So length is to breadth is to height is 3:2:1, and the parallelepiped volume of the parallelepiped is 384 cubic centimeter. Now we have to find its surface area. Now we have to find its surface area. Okay, so suppose this is the parallelepiped. Okay, suppose this is the parallelepiped. Length, breadth and height, the ratio is given 3:2:1 and the total volume is also given. Now if length is to breadth is to height is 3:2:1, so we can say the length is 3x, the breadth is 2x and the height is x. Okay, if length is to breadth is to height is 3:2:1, then length is 3x, breadth is 2x, then height is x, because only then the ratio becomes 3:2:1, 3:2:1. Okay, so let us assume these are the dimensions 3x, 2x and x. So let us write the solution. Let length is L, suppose 3x, then breadth B, it is 2x, and height H is simply x. Okay, so this is 3x, this is 2x and this height is simply x. So and the volume is 384 cubic centimeter. It is representing, what we are doing, dimensions in terms of a variable x. Okay, the same variable we are using in all the dimensions, because the ratio is 3:2:1, so we keep the variable x same in all the three dimensions, then we get the ratio like this. So suppose length is 3x, breadth is 2x and height is x. So we are representing dimensions in terms of a variable x. Volume is equal to 384 cubic cm. But volume is also equal to length into breadth into height, which is equal to 384, right? So what is length, breadth and height? Length, breadth and height. So we multiply all of them. 3x into 2x into x is equal to 384, which implies 6x cube is 384, right? That means x cube is 384 by 6. And how much it is? It is 64. Hence x is cube root of 64, which means x is equal to 4. So we got the value of x. So we can say that length, we have found the length, breadth and height, right? Length will be 3 into 4, breadth will be 2 into 4 and height will be 4. So hence, do you know the formula for total surface area? It is 2 into length into height plus breadth into height plus length into breadth. This is the formula. You have to remember this, okay? In a parallelepiped, the total surface area is calculated by multiplying length into height, breadth into height, and length into breadth, and adding all of them. Then twice of that is the total surface area, and this is the formula. You have to remember that, okay? So but you already have the values of L, H and B. So what is LH? L is 3 into 4, 12. 3 into 4, let me simplify it. Okay, maybe we have after this we can put a step that hence length is 3 into 4, 12, breadth is 2 into 4, 8, and height is x, that is 4, equal to 4. So length, breadth and height, we get length, breadth and height here. Then we put them in this formula. So what do we get? Length into h, 12 into 4. It is 12 into 4 plus b into h, 8 into 4 plus length into breadth, 12 into 8, right? So it is 48, 32 plus 96. How much it is? It is 2 into 176, 352. Hence the total surface area, I am writing in short form, is equal to 352 square cm. Don't forget this unit. Surface area will be in square centimeter because the units are in cm. Okay, the units, these units, the volume is given in cubic centimeter. The units will be in centimeter. This will be 12 cm, this will be 8 cm, and this will be 4 cm. So the surface area will be in cm, square centimeter. Okay, surface area will be square cm. So don't forget this unit. If you don't give the unit, your answer may not be accepted. Okay, so that is your answer. And one more thing, if you draw the diagram, you may skip the diagram if you want, but if the total marks given is 4 marks or 5 marks, then you can of course draw the diagram. Okay, otherwise you can skip it. And if you draw the diagram, then don't forget to give it labels like this one is 3x, this is length, this is breadth, and this is height. Okay, and this one of course is rough, you can skip this one.